Hey y'all, how's it going? It is me, Krystal V, and I'm back with another tarot video. So the last video I did was on the death card, and it explained basically about how the death card is about letting go, absolute freedom, and also ending something in order to begin something new. So after this period of letting go, there comes a point in time where you need to balance yourself, and you also need to avoid excess and practice some self-restraint. And that is all about temperance. Temperance is also about knowing when to push your energy and when to pull it back, paying attention to your body and what your body is actually capable of doing. Also paying attention to your own energy levels. Can you constantly just put out energy and energy and energy? No, you cannot. There are some times where you need to sort of sit back and be introspective. So a lot of the times when we pull the Temperance card, you see how she's got this like perfect balance and this perfect pour of this flow of energy from one cup to the other. That's essentially alchemy, and that's what Temperance is all about, energetic alchemy. So it's about balance, it's about moderation, it's about self-restraint, and everybody's self-restraint or moderation is different on an individual level. This could also indicate elimination of those things that are draining us, and it could be a time for reforming poor habits that do drain us as well. A lot of times this is a heads up to avoid excess, and that could be excess in drinking or eating, or excess in pushing yourself, or excess in too much like to lack of output even. So not putting out enough, or not having enough of an outlet to put your energy into. So a nice balance instead of extremes, essentially. A lot of the times the Temperance card can also indicate cooperation. So cooperation between you and others, cooperation between you and a partner. This also indicates harmony. So this could also represent a state of harmony that you're currently in with yourself and with your body, or with other people as well. A lot of the times, Temperance can also indicate health. So it can indicate the need to balance yourself out for health purposes as well. This also leads us to choosing positive alternatives for not only our body health, corporeal health, but also our mental health as well. Sometimes Temperance can also indicate a moral code or standards, which vary. Everybody's morality is different. And also what moral code feels good to you, and what moral code to live by. I also think that, Temperance is a point of balance after the challenge of letting go as well. So this is sort of the evening out after this big change that's caused by Arcanum 13, the Arcanum without name, or the Death card. So, balance. Whatever feels good to you, that isn't excessive. Comfort, listening to your body, and also listening to your feelings and your mental space about how daily aspects make you feel, or people that you surround yourself make you feel. Do they make you feel balanced? Do you feel harmonious? Do you feel able to cooperate with other people, and also feel a cooperation between your own body, your mind, and your spirit? As you can see in the Rider-Waite version, this angel, yes, they have the two cups where there is this alchemy type of aspect, but you can also see this little this triangle in the center on their chest here, and that's a heart opening based on the connection between mind, body, and spirit. That's following your heart and listening to that inner guidance to maintain that balance as well. And as you can see, there's a red flower above this angel's third eye, and there's that sign of Apollo, which is the sun, above this angel's third eye, and it's definitely symbolized by an angel. So this is listening to your higher self in order to maintain a perfect harmony and balance for your greater good, especially after a big change. So hopefully I described the Temperance card well, and hopefully you got the gist of what the Temperance card means. So thank you for tuning in again. Sorry my videos have been spotty, but I've been working on my website. It is www.hallofvisions.com. If you're interested in booking a virtual reading with me, you can go ahead and go to my site and choose a date and a time that's right for you. Also, I'll be putting a gallery of my YouTube videos up on there, and I also have a small shop that I'm going to be growing from there too. I'm also going to be doing a blog from that site too, so if you want to stay tuned and just follow all of my daily tarot insights, feel free. So that's hallofvisions.com. I'll put the link down below. Thanks a lot for listening. You can also find me at Modern Mystic Shop here in Atlanta, Georgia, and you can book with me virtually, or you can book with me in person there at modernmystictarot.com. I'll also put that link down below. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.